It's not mock court, it's real court.
And the consequences for 2 young men on Wednesday were also real. It's a part of teen court run by the Center for Youth. Teens prosecuted and defended by other teens.
You at least understand on their level because you're not an adult, they're not an adult. You have a mutual understanding of what it's like to be a teen.
Wednesday's case, 2 students accused of disorderly conduct. A charge stemmed from a fight in October.
A lot of teens that come to teen court, they don't understand the severity of the actions, and being in a court where they're facing jail time is not always the best option, I don't believe. So this really gives them a chance to think about their actions so that they're not in a situation where they have to face jail time.
And that's the goal. This is not the place to determine guilt or innocence.
You come in admitting and saying, I did this, I am guilty of this offense.
The crimes are typically misdemeanors. The majority of the cases here involve criminal trespassing, shoplifting, or disorderly conduct.
We're going to take our time and really talk about what happened, why it happened, maybe the circumstances leading up to it, and that doesn't take place in an adult court.
Sentencing can range from paying restitution, writing essays, and community service. Teens also hand down those sentences. They serve as jurors in this court of law. Some of the jurors were once defendants themselves. But before a decision is made, the attorneys call witnesses, cross-examine them, and present closing statements.
That the defendant did not really have a good strategy.
In this case, the 2 defendants were required to attend a learn workshop, how to walk away from violence and why they should.
As a judge, we sentence people to jail all the time. We provide a lot of punishment. So we can take the opportunity to work with people to redirect them in a positive direction. That's something that's very helpful.
Judge Frank Geraci was one of the founders of teen court nearly 20 years ago. He says recidivism is at 20% compared to 60% in other judicial programs. He says providing other options can be life-changing.
One young man was talking about going to the Navy, another playing football at Syracuse. It's not going to happen with a criminal record. So we want them to think about how this could impact their future and hopefully redirect their energies in a different way. The jails prevent them from being on the street for that short period of time, but certainly does nothing toward rehabilitation. This program is meant to rehabilitate and to work with the youth to come up with better choices in their life.
In Rochester, Jamise Price, Time Warner Cable News.